Welcome once again to another solar success story, proudly brought to you by Aksun Electronics Technologies, your trusted energy partner. Today we are on site for a very special project. One that stands out from the rest is a full Itel All-in-One Solar setup, a modern, compact and intelligent system that combines power and design into one smart unit. As we arrive on site, our team get ready to transform yet another home into a clean energy power space. The van pull up and you can feel the excitement, a mix of expertise, teamwork and passion for what we do. First phase begins with offloading. Every single item is handled carefully, from the panels to the inverter, tools and accessories. We take safety and organization seriously. Our team leader oversees the offloading process, ensuring every component is accounted for and positioned close to where it will be used. This step might look simple, but it's key to a smooth workflow. A properly organized site makes every other phase faster, safer, and more efficient. Now, what makes this project really exciting is the Itel All-in-One Solar setup. Unlike the traditional inverter battery combinations, the system brings everything together: inverter, charge controller, and lithium battery, all in one sleek, space-saving unit. Next, we move to unboxing. The Itel All-in-One system comes carefully packed and protected, showcasing the manufacturer's attention to quality. Our team leader takes a few moments to describe the features: compact design, smart display, quiet operation, and built-in safety system that protects against overload, short circuit, and high temperature. The system's lithium battery ensures long life and quick recharge. It's a game changer for everyone looking for durability and performance in one complete package.
Welcome. So today, our client gave us a call. We've been here before, and we discussed with him. Parallel before our visit to Landmark Event Center, the Energy Conference. We went to the Itel booth and we saw different sizes and varieties and designs of Itel products. And then we let us have a view of the all-in-one. And this is right here. We have a 3.6 kilowatt Itel all-in-one with inbuilt 8 kilowatt hour battery. Inbuilt 8 kilowatt hour battery. Then, I think this is the first time I'll be installing this, but it's quite easy to install. It's quite easy to install. We have the AC input line here, we have the live, we have the neutral, then we have the AC output line. It has two load options. We have the AC output 1 and 2, so which means we can prioritize some load on one section of the AC output. We can prioritize some other set of load on the other options of the AC output. So though it comes with just the strings of a PV. So but I think based on what I've read on the review before, we can channel in maximum of 5,500 watts of solar panels all together on this. So I love this. It comes with a DC breaker, I think, for the battery here. For the battery, then we have the main power switch here. So I think this is for communication. I think we have the dry communication ports too also. The aesthetics is okay. We have the ventilation down here. Let's look at the other side. Okay, we have some other ventilations also. I can see 2 cooling fans on this side of the system. So I love this. The aesthetic is nice, it's cool. All in one, 3.6 kilowatt, all in one with 8 kilowatts lithium battery. I think Itel is on the game now. So let's just put it on for the very first time before we install. Let's see. Okay, I have to put on the battery first. Then probably maybe by default. Okay, it's on now. It's on. So I think it still comes with the usual interface that we have before. The usual interface. It comes with the usual interface. Also the buttons, the usual one. We have the enter, up, down, escape. So the usual interface, also the usual. It also comes with an indicator. So I think this is cool. So come with us, guys. As we start with the installation, so we'll be installing is to power these 4-bedroom apartments. So I think the owner of the building wants is to power the lighting, the fan, which is our TVs, general basic appliances in the building. So come with us, guys, as we go through this. So we'll be installing this beast here with 9 pieces of J650 watt panels. We have it outside here, 9 pieces. So we'll be installing 9 pieces of this on this. So at least with that 9 pieces, we'll be generating close to 5,000. We should be generating close to 5,000 and something watts of energy from the sun to the system. So come along with us, guys. Thank you.
With the plan ready, the installation begins. The roof team climb up, carefully carrying the JA 650 watt panels. Each panel is lifted, aligned, and securely mounted on the frame structure. The sun is high, the weather perfect, and the team moves in harmony. Precision and teamwork at its best. Good alignment isn't just for beauty, it ensures maximum sunlight exposure and long-term stability. By the end of this phase, 9 powerful solar panels stand proudly, ready to capture clean energy from the sun. While the rooftop team completes mounting, the interior group begins with the wiring. We run high-grade solar cables from the rooftop to the inverter point, keeping everything neat and protected. At Aksun Electronics Technology, we follow strict standards, color-coded wiring, tight conduit fitting, and secure termination point. This level of details is what guarantees the safety and long life of every system we install. Each connection is tested as we go to ensure zero energy loss. Here, our team leader takes center stage to explain how the Itel All-in-One system is connected. He walks us through every step from the solar panels on the roof through the wiring and charge controller to the lithium battery and inverter unit. He details how the system intelligently manages energy, prioritizing solar power for immediate use and storing the excess in the battery for nighttime or backup. He also highlighted safety features including overload protection, short circuit safeguards, and proper grounding, ensuring the system operates efficiently and reliably. This clear explanation helps the client understand how the all-in-one system works and why it's a superior solution for home energy needs.
For the system, to protect the system, we also have the AC surge, also to protect the output against surges from the output line. So then we have our voltage protector. So we have 2 voltage protectors here. We have one for the output to control or to protect against shorts coming from the loads. Shorts coming from the load, over voltage, under voltage, over current. We have our voltage protector to take care of that from the output side. From the input side also, we have another one also to protect against over voltage, under voltage from the NEPA side. Because I think this is one thing that we installers take for lightly. We take it lightly, so we don't usually, it's something that I've done to before, we don't usually protect our input side, and it's very, very much important as it is now. As the case may be, we can't underestimate the kind of power supply that comes from grid. You get it? Even it could be your generator. Sometimes you could start your generator and then you have a high surge of voltage coming in. So this guy takes care of that. You get it? So, but before we fed this, we the energy coming from the grid, as it enters this, we also have a switch here, a breaker, AC breaker, also which the user can use to manually, if he or she wants to use grid to charge the system. So this is just there for he or she to control manually, to either to allow it to charge with the grid or not. You get that? So that's for this. So now to our beast here, wonderful beast here. I saw some things that I would love to share with you guys. Here's the COM port. You'll be asking me that what's the COM for, since it is an all-in-one system. So, but while I was unboxing the carton more, I discovered that it is for the Wi-Fi dongle. So since it is all-in-one, the battery is inbuilt already, the inverter system is inbuilt already. So the battery, the communication cable, I believe that the manufacturers will have taken care of that. So even on settings here, I don't need to go and be setting lithium battery. This is all-in-one already. So all I just need to do is maybe set my other parameters, like my what's it called? The type of charging, solar priority, electric utility priority, cutoff voltage, under voltage, and all that. I think that's major settings that I might probably need to do here. So there's nothing like having a communication cable. So I think what this COM port was is for dongle, Wi-Fi dongle, whereby you can monitor anywhere you are. You want to monitor the system, you want to see how it's performing, the levels and all that. I think that's what this COM port is. But now I discovered something lovely about this. When we opened it and then we brought it here to complete our installation, me and my guys were like brainstorming, like how do we make our connections, AC connections here, and then we now discover that this is just a plug and play connector. Like, let's see, look at this. This is a concept that in fact I was tripped. You can see. So which means I'll just make all my connections to this, tighten it, and after I'm done, I just plug it back and then I lock it up. The same thing applies to the output, and this is the input section. The same thing applies to the output section. I just unplug, make all my connections, tighten it, and then I plug back. So in fact, I'm tripped by what that Itel did here. I love that aesthetics and I love that concept. It's a very nice concept. So we'll be taking our beast down to where he's going to be staying now. This is a new home. So where he's going to be staying now, and then we conclude the connection. So that's all for now. Yeah. So let's check the solar part of it. So I'm putting on the solar breaker now. So the solar breaker is on. So you can see from the screen, it's already sensing the solar. So it should start processing the charging now. Yeah, it has started. So now let's see, this is reading the total number of wattage being generated from the roof. Now you can see it's increasing. It's going to 1.6 kilowatts of energy now is being generated from the rooftop there. Now let's see the amps. This is the voltage from the PV coming in. We have about 314, 15 coming in right now. Charging with the battery now currently is 55 amps. I think this is mass. This is brilliant. So I think the design of this MPPT of this system here is crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. So with 26 amps, charging with 55 amps. But I think from the manufacturer, it is designed with it's 5,000 watts. It's 5,000 watts. Then max charge is 100 amps. But currently now we are charging with let me check again. charging 54, 55 watts. So I think this is cool, basically, because this battery now should charge this full under some hours to charge this full. So this is cool. So our air system, this is on. I'll just try and just see other loads in the house, then we'll come back and review the settings of the inverter system. Thank you.
We take readings of the solar input, battery charging rate, and load output. The system performs beautifully with strong voltage, quick response time, and quiet operation. The client can now enjoy uninterrupted power, reduce energy bills, and peace of mind. With every test passed, we clean up the site and give the client a full walkthrough, explaining basic maintenance and how to read the display. Another successful installation completed with precision and pride. From arrival to final testing, every step reflects our core values: quality, teamwork, and customer satisfaction. Aksun Electronics Technology, bringing light, power, and innovation to your doorstep. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow our page for more real-life solar projects that inspire the move towards sustainable energy.